Hello, 3D Noob here. I needed to print some 3D objects, and so I bought a 3D printer. And while playing with Bambu Studio, I discovered some interesting tidbits about it I would like to share. So if we go to the preview is where you can see your product and how it's going to be built. And this product, or every 3D printer, prints in layers, as we know. So it starts here. If you drag the slider down, you can see how these layers are cross-sectioned. So all the way at the bottom you see layer 1, and then you can see all these layers. So this is typical of how 3D printers work. However, I was quite impressed, I guess, by looking at how this software shows you what they call G-code. G-code is where the head gets to move, and so this program here, Bambu Studio, will tell the head how to move and where to move it, and when to move it. So if I grab this slider, you see this code being written on the right hand side, and it comments it. It puts here comments the line width and where the head needs to move, and you can see the head over here moving throughout every slice is what they call it, which every layer is basically called a slice. And it's pretty impressive. It writes all this code on its own, right, just for one slice. And then you can go up and see how many slices there are. See, it's 141 up here all the way up to 929, and each slice has 198, I guess, lines of code. So it's pretty impressive. Yeah, I was did not expect this code to be visible to the user, but it's an amazing technology. Thought I would share.